Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. As we know that Cognizant announced the GenC, GenC Pro, GenC Next mass hiring for 2025 batch, and we know that the GenC hiring process are ongoing. The interviews are ongoing. Candidate received the LOI. So today we have a special guest with us, Surya, who already selected for Cognizant through our channel. So first of all, Surya, thank you so much. You are sharing your interview experience with us. So please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I am Surya from Global Academy of Technology in the stream of Information Science and Engineering. I've recently attended a Cognizant interview and I got selected as a program analyst trainee.
Okay. So like you are selected for PAT role Gen C for the Gen C role,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah.
So like how was your exam and interview experience of total overall Cognizant?
First, on April 17, I had my communication assessment. Before communication assessment, you will be having resume screening. In that resume, like you need to mention your photograph. That is very important.
Yes.
They have already mentioned in the platform only, in the superset platform. Then on 17, I had communication assessment.
Hmm.
After communication assessment, after 3 days, on April 21, I had my aptitude test where it consists of normal quantitative aptitude and gaming based questions. This time they have not mentioned logical reasoning type of questions. They asked gaming aptitude questions.
Yes.
Then on April 25th, I had my technical assessment. After 2 weeks, I think on May 11th, on May 9th, I got my eligible for virtual interview. On May 11th, I had my interview.
Okay. So like
It
first is
was
communication.
virtual interview.
Okay, virtual interview. Fine. For you
Yeah.
are from phase one, I think. You are from 2025 batch, phase one recruitment process.
Yeah,
Because
yes,
the
sir. I'm
first.
from Facebook.
Yes. So first is communication, then then aptitude, then technical, right?
Yeah, first communication on April 17, then on April 21, I had my aptitude test. On
Hmm.
April 25th, I had my technical assessment. On
Okay.
May 11th, I had my technical interview.
Okay. So what are the questions they ask in your virtual interview?
Yeah, in virtual interview, first they asked to introduce about yourself.
Hmm.
Then they said to show, as it was virtual interview, they said to show your government proof ID card or college ID card. Then the third question was they said to show your room 360-degree view.
Okay.
After that, they asked technical related questions.
Hmm. So what are the technical questions is related to programming or your projects?
Yeah, mine was Java cluster.
Okay.
As it was off campus, the default cluster was Java, and I choose Java domain only. So then in Java, first they have asked basic questions which was related to object-oriented programming concepts like encapsulation, polymorphism, data abstraction
Okay.
with
These are
real-time
the technical
examples.
questions. Yes, they started with
Yeah.
that. So one most important guys, like in the technical assessment, you have to choose cluster. There are three cluster, cluster one, cluster two, cluster three. Cluster one is Java, cluster two is Python, and cluster three is C sharp. So whatever you choose in the technical assessment, suppose they will allot you Python or C sharp or Java because Java is by default cluster. So as Surya said, like cluster one is by default and their domain is also Java. So they are asking questions from Java itself in the interview, right, Surya?
Yeah, yes, sir. Then they started asking related to SQL, which is very important, and DBMS. In SQL, they will ask mainly related about types of SQL and joins, which is
Okay.
very important.
Hmm.
And difference between group by having delete, drop, and truncate, which is very important concept in SQL.
Okay, Surya. So this is all
Yeah.
about the technical interview experience. Is there any HR question or managerial question? Like, why do you want to join
And
Cognizant?
they asked two Java programming coding questions, which was
Okay.
Armstrong number. Write a
Yes.
Java program for Armstrong number. First, I have explained the logic. What is Armstrong number? Then I started to write the code. I give an example of 153. One, if it you need to calculate the length of the digit, and the length of the digit of 153 is 3. Then you need to cube the each digit of that 153 number, and which results in the sum of 153. Then it is said as Armstrong number. So first I explained this logic, then I started to write code. Then she said to change 153 to another number of three digit
Yes.
number. Then I changed it to 152. Then it printed it's not an Armstrong number.
Okay, okay. This is all about the technical experience and
Then
the
the
coding.
second question was
Hmm.
it was related to string. Write a program on to count the number of vowels and characters, vowels and consonants in a
Hmm.
string.
Okay.
For taking an example of hello world,
Hmm.
where it should the main important concept is you need to write the code should work both on uppercase and lowercase characters. And hello world means there is space also. For that also you need to give a condition.
Okay. So this is the technical question or programming question that they ask. Okay. So
Yeah.
after completion of interview, in how many days you receive the LOI?
After completion of the interview, I think nearly 2 weeks. I
Okay.
received my LOI on May 29th.
Okay, May 29th. Fine. So after LOI, what is the process and what are the mails you received from the Cognizant team?
On May 29th, I got my LOI,
Hmm.
and on June 12th, I got my offer letter.
Okay. So after offer letter, after acceptance of offer letter, you got the final joining date or previously?
I got my date of joining intimation after my acceptance of the offer letter. They have given 1 day time to
Hmm.
accept the offer. If you
Hmm.
accept the offer only, the next day they will give date of joining intimation. On date of joining intimation, they have just mentioned the city, but now they have not mentioned the address because in Chennai only there are 9 to 10 training centers.
Okay.
So that I got on June 13. On June 12, I got Chennai location and date of joining is 26 June 2025.
Okay. So, like you got the joining date as 26 June. So, you received the document verification process as well, respect with the joining date.
Yeah, document verification. First, you need to accept the offer. Then the step two is you need to upload all the important documents such as 10th, 12th, background, this provisional degree certificate,
Hmm. Okay.
and Aadhaar card, PAN card.
Aadhaar card, PAN card. And the first thing is like you have to accept the offer. Second thing is you have to upload the document. Third thing is like the pre-joining formalities. It is considered in the pre-joining formalities, right?
Yeah, first, after that, background verification will be
Hmm.
there. After completion of the background verification, then pre-join formalities link will be opened.
Okay. So in the
Yeah.
pre-joining formalities, they are asking just normal forms, right?
Yeah, in pre-joining formalities, same details of 10th, 12th, education, current address, permanent address, then regarding that provident fund details.
Okay. Okay, fine. So what about the basically onboarding pass?
Onboarding pass, they have said like, then I got a call from Bangalore HR at Cognizant.
Hmm.
Like you have selected as a full-time employee,
Hmm.
you need to accept the offer and complete the background verification and pre-join formalities within 2 days. Then I completed by yesterday. I completed. Then I got a mail. Okay, before date of joining, before 3 days, you will be getting onboarding pass.
Okay, before 3 days of joining, date of joining.
Like on
Right.
23rd June, they have
On
mentioned in the mail.
23rd June. Yes, I also explain in the video itself. 2 days ago, I already uploaded video of LOI and the offer letter. So in that, they clearly mention that. Okay, fine. So the last most important thing is you are selected for the Cognizant. It is one of the biggest opportunity. So how was your feedback related to our channel? Overall feedback.
Yeah, like it was very helpful. Like you'll be uploading daily, regularly videos, which was very helpful to apply.
Okay, thank you so much, and I hope that you received all the updates from the Cognizant team, and best wishes for your upcoming journey. And there are so many candidates, they are with the doubts, so they mention their doubts in the comment section. So I suggest that like Surya will also help you guys. So we will definitely check your doubts and give reply to you. And thank you.
And one thing is, yes, sir. And for interview, the for you need to mainly focus on core subjects, which is DBMS, object-oriented programming concepts, computer networks, and operating system. Like if the students are studying in first year or second year only, if they'll be for like computer science on core related branches related to computer science, they can maintain a notebook and they can note it in the class only, which will be very helpful in interview.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for giving such important and helpful advice. So it will definitely helpful and motivates all the candidates. So thank you so much, Surya, again for sharing your valuable interview experience. It will very helpful for all candidates. And guys, best wishes for your ongoing process and the Cognizant. Today, Cognizant announced the next phase examination. Yesterday, the hiring is closed. They completed the three-phase mass hiring. So the thing is always apply for other opportunity. It will also very good for all of you. And thank you so much, Surya, again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.